Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel where we do reviews on all sorts of cool products. So today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new terminal LED lights for my Tacoma here. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them out for review. Let's go and actually check them out. So I got two boxes because it should use the same one for the brights as well. It should just be plug and play. I did do a similar video on these for the Tacoma, but I think I had the wrong size. They did fit, but I kind of had to like get them like stuck for it to fit, so I figured out they were the wrong ones, but they did hook up, so I wanted to get the right one. So now we're gonna do it and do these. So it comes with some gloves and a little bit of information there. And then the manual. So this is what the lights look like right here. It's really exactly what I have in there. So it is two of them. And these are the H11s, like I said. You can see two boxes. So let's go and actually open it up and hook it up. All right, so got this one off right here. This is the old style that we have. All right, and then this is, so like the old one here, this is the new one here. I'm gonna actually put it on there. And everything should just click right into place. Oh, just like that. Yeah, that's way simpler than the other one. Put that back. All right, cool, got that one in. Now let's go ahead and do the other one. This one we just replaced not too long ago, but we'll go ahead and put them so they're the same. All right, got this one off now. All right, and I just wanted to show it to you a little closer. So we're just gonna plug this in right here. Boom, clicks right in, and we're just gonna go ahead and put it back. All right, and there we go. All right, so it's daytime right now, which I'll show you here at night, but I could already tell you, way cleaner and brighter than what I had. It's very, very cool. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and replace the other one as well. Just like that, easy peasy. All right, and then I'm just gonna show real quick how that looks when it's on. It is. Good to go. Very cool. I think so. Guys, y'all don't know how dull these were. So much better. Looks so much better. Alright, let's go take it on the streets. Alright. Alright guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for some new replacement LED lights for your Tacoma, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so I'll get yours. Highly recommend.